Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our class. So today, C for 7th standard mathematics, multiplication of integer. Okay, wow. So already last class will be the C for then some laws. Okay, wow. So now one explanation explain for the distributive property of multiplication of integer power of additions. Okay, wow. Now addition, then next one subtraction. Okay, wow. So first one then. Okay, so the distributive property of multiplication of the integer power of addition, okay, the power of addition. So first one then, so the a, if a, b and c are any three integers, then a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, so a into b plus c equal to a into b in plus a into c. This is for addition. Next one subtraction. So a into b minus c, a into b minus c is equal to a into b. First one, a into b. Okay, then general minus. Next one, a into c, a into c. So a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Okay, this is for subtraction. This is for suppression of distributive property. Okay, so some example sums. Okay, do the some example sums. Example, simplify the following the expressions. Simplify the following expressions. Okay, first one question, a 7 into minus 13 plus 7 into 6. So read it ma. So 7 into minus 13 plus 7 into 6. So second one, minus 19 into 3 plus minus 19 into minus 7. Okay, so third one, that is a C, 70 into minus 19. 70 into minus 19 plus bracket minus 1 into 70 minus bracket 1 into 70. Okay, then next one, D, minus 87 into minus 19 plus 87. Minus 87 into minus 19 plus 87. Okay, so now solve the 4 question. Now solve this 4 question. Okay, so you know the property. So today see for the distributive property of multiplication of integer or of addition. Next one subtraction. Okay, so today see the topic with the distributive property for addition. Next one subtraction. Now go to the sums. So first question, 7 into minus 13 plus 7 into 6. 7 into minus 13 plus 7 into 6. Okay, so the common number 7. The common number 7. So into, okay, into. Then this is a minus 13. This is for 6. Okay, so bracket minus 13 plus 6. Okay, so using for the property, I can write it for the right side. So a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. So the two equations is common for a. So a take it, then the another one b plus c. Okay, so next one then 7. So simplify then the bracket minus 13 plus 6. Okay, compare the number. So 13 6. So opposite integer. So subtraction. So 13 minus 6 also 7. So minus 13, that is a 13 also the negative integer. So symbol minus 7. Okay, so 7 into 7, that is a 7 into minus 7 is equal to 7 7s are 49, plus into minus minus. Okay, plus into minus. So next one, 7 into minus 13. 7 into minus 13 plus 7 into 6 is equal to, so what is the answer? Minus 49. Minus 49. Okay, so you can compare for the, which one is a common number for the equation? Which one common for the equation? 7 or any one number. Okay, so next one, go to the B question. Okay, so B question. So minus 19 into 3 plus minus 19 into minus 7. Okay, so minus 19 into 3 plus minus 19 into minus 7. Okay, so the two number, that is minus 19 also the common for the equation. Okay, so minus 19 also take it. Okay, then into then 3 plus minus 7, 3 plus into minus 7. Okay, so simply with the bracket. Okay, minus 19 into, so 7 3 compare with the number. So 7 and 3 also, 7 is the greatest number. Also the 2, that is a 2 integer, that is a one positive integer, another one negative integer. Okay, so 7 3, that is a 7 minus 3 is also 4. Okay, so the greatest number is 7, the symbol is minus, so minus 4. Okay, so minus 19 into minus 4, so minus minus plus, so 19 fours are 76. For example, 9 fours are 36 6, remaining 3, 1 fours are 4, so 4 plus 3 7. Okay, so therefore answer minus 19 into 3 plus minus 19 into minus 7 is equal to 76. Okay, the two sums you know, understand students, understand it. So you can the compare the number. So which one is a commonest, which one is a the common of the equation. Okay, we take it the common. So another two number is you can additions. Okay, another two number is a addition. So same symbol you can write the same addition, so different symbols, that is a different integer, you can subtraction of the equation. Okay, okay students, so first sum this also minus 49, so this also the second one, so minus 19 is a common, so minus 19 is a take it, then next one minus 19 to 4, compare the number 3 plus minus 7, so minus 7 is the greatest number, so 7 3, so minus 4, so next one, so minus minus plus, so 19 to 4 76. Okay students, so now go to the second, so another two sums C and D. Okay, so now see for the C questions. So you see read the question ma. So 17 into minus 19 plus minus 1 into 70. Okay, so 70 into minus 19 plus minus 1 into 70. Okay, the two multiplication the common only 70, common only the 70 of the number. Okay, you take it the 70. Okay, so 70 into, so this is for minus 19, this is for minus 1. Okay, so minus 19 plus minus 1. Okay, also the two number is same integer, that is a negative integer, so minus 19 plus minus 1. Okay, so minus 19 minus 1, what is value ma? So minus 20, minus 20. Okay, okay, no one then separation, this is for addition with the same integer symbol, same symbol. Okay, so 70 into 20, 70 into 20, so 7 2s are 14, that is a plus into minus minus, so 0 0 add பண்ணாக்கல வந்து என்ன வரும், which one that value, so minus 1400. Okay, so this is for the common same integer, common for the same integer. Okay, so 70 into minus 19 plus minus 1 into 70 is equal to minus 1400. Use for the property, use for the property. Okay, so another one D, minus 87 into minus 19 plus 87. Okay, this is for the only one product with one addition of the number. Okay, addition of the number. So now write the equation, so minus 87 into minus 19. Okay, you take then this one then, so 87 is equal to which one, you can see the formula 81, 87 is equal to minus 87 into minus 1, so minus minus plus, so 87 into 1 also 87. That means then the any other number, that is 1 10 100 thousands or any one number. Okay, you take then the product, that is the multiple by the one, multiple by the one is a same number. Okay, that is 1 into 1000 1 into 100 also 100, the 1 into 87 also 87. Okay, so minus minus what is the value ma? So plus, so now I can write it then minus 87 into minus 1, minus 87 into minus 1. Okay, because this first number is minus 87. Okay, minus 87. Okay, so write it then the plus 87, you know, then plus that is then 87. So minus minus plus, minus into minus also plus. Okay va. So the equations, so second one then equations, minus 87 into minus 19 plus minus 87 into minus 1. Okay va. So minus 87 is a common number. Okay va. So another also you take the number minus 19 plus minus 1. Okay va. Also integer also same, that is an addition. Okay va. Minus 19 plus minus 1. Okay va. So minus 19 minus 1 also minus 20. Okay va. So minus minus plus, that is a minus 87 into minus 20, that is a product, the values, you know the value, I can write it the multiplication of the value. So 7 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, so another also 7 2s are 14, so remaining one 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 also 17, so add the value, so 1740, 1740, so minus to minus plus. Okay students, so no doubt anyone? Okay, this step only the confusion. Okay, that is an 87 change one, right in then minus 87 into minus 1. Okay va, this part then the add one. Okay va. Okay va, that is a product, you can change this value. Okay va. So minus 87 to minus 1 also 87. Okay students. Okay va. So next one take then the common number, next one addition for the integer. So next one 87 into minus 20, you can produce the value, next one substitute for the value. Okay va. This is for the distributive property for the equation. Okay va. So now go to the sum, another one example sums for the equation. Okay va. So next to the next pages, this one see ma. For examples, find the following expressions. Find the following expressions. So now see then a 1982 into minus 16 plus minus 1982 into 84. Okay va. Then b 3657 into 99 minus of minus 3657. Okay va. Then c 5792 into 983 minus 4792 into 983. Okay va. Also the same before sums also you can do ma. So this is for the more than 3 digit number, okay va. So first question a 1982 into minus 16 plus minus 1982 into 84. Okay va. So the first one also so take then for interchange for minus. Okay va. Minus 1982 into 16. Okay va. You know the product of the symbols, minus into plus also minus. Okay va. One number, one product of the two number, any one place, also first number or second number, you can take then the minus. Okay va. Plus into minus also minus. Okay va. So I can change for the minus for the 60, change one 1982, that is then minus 1982 into 16 plus bracket minus 1982 into 84. Okay va. So second one, this is also common, which one ma? So 1982, 1982 also is common. Okay ma. I can take it then minus 1982 also common into 16 plus 84, 16 plus 84. Okay va. So now write it then 60 plus 84 also 100. Okay va. So minus 1982 into 100. Okay va. So 1 into anything also anything. Okay, we can write the value 1982. So the double zero also added. So the value is 1,98,200. 1,98,200. Okay va. So now see the sum B1. So another also the before sums 87 method. Before sums also 87 method. So 3657 into 99. So minus into minus 3657. 3657. Okay, wow. So second one, 3657 into 99 minus 3657 into 1. So 1 into anything also anything. Okay, wow. So 1 into anything also anything. Okay, wow. So now the multiplication, so minus minus plus, so 3657 into 99 plus 3657 into 1. Okay, so the common number 3657. So another remaining number, so 99 plus 1. So 99 plus 1, what is the value ma? So 100. Okay, then 3657 into 100 also 3,65,700. You know the product with the value 3657 into 100. Okay, you know product the value 3,65,700. Okay, so last one question, C question. Okay, last one question, C question. So 5,792 into 983 minus 4,792 into 983. Okay, this is also common for the second one number only. Okay, you see that 983. So take it for 983 into, so first one number 5,792, then minus 4,792. So 5,000 minus 4,000 also 1,000. Okay, so 983 into 1,000, the value also 9,83,000. 9,83,000. Okay, so now understand the sum. Okay, this is for the basic, the problem, basic sums for the distributive property for addition. Then next one, subtraction. Okay, I give the some exercise sums. Okay, you can solve. And one send it for the group. Okay, students, so any doubt? Okay, so once more again for the equation. Okay, so this is for then A, B, then C. So the common number, so which one the common number? So first one, then 1882, so into 16 plus 84. Okay, so which one is a common number for the equation? Okay, all the question. Okay, first one understand which one is a common number, take the common, the remaining number also the addition, next one subtraction, do the basic property. Okay, that is then a into B plus C is equal to a into B plus a into C. Okay, another one subtraction, a into B minus C is equal to a into B minus a into C. Okay, this is for the distributive property. Okay, so today see the class for the distributive property for multiplication, integer, over of, addition, the next one subtraction. Okay, so using for the property, so a into B plus C equal to a into B plus a into C. The subtraction, a into B minus C is equal to a into B minus a into C. Okay, students, so I give the some homework sums, you can solve and send it the group. Thank you, students. So thank you to all.